The Nordberg LTs are the most popular track-mounted crushing units in the world. Over the last 20 years, Nordberg has supplied over 1,000 LTs for a wide range of contracting and recycling applications the world over. The secret behind this success lies in the flexibility of the LT system. Nordberg LTs can be fitted with jaw, impact or cone crushers, and they crush all grades of rock. When fitted with recycling equipment, they can process reinforced concrete and other mineral-based demolition material. With a combination of primary and secondary LTs, it is possible to form 2-stage and 3-stage plants, which can produce several different high-quality fractions simultaneously. Feed material is loaded into the grizzly feeder of the primary LT unit. Oversized rocks travel along the feeder bottom and fall into the jaw crusher cavity, where they are crushed to the size defined by the jaw crusher setting. Material which is small enough to go through the grizzly bar spacing falls through the bypass hopper and therefore passes the jaw crusher. This increases the total capacity and reduces jaw liner wear. The main belt conveyor discharges all processed material. Material flow in primary LT units equipped with an impact crusher is similar to this process. The primary Nordberg LT can be followed by a secondary unit equipped with a cone or impact crusher and a screen. The primary crushed material is loaded into the feed chute of the belt conveyor, which lifts the material onto the screen. The screen separates the different fractions to their respective discharge conveyors. Material which is too large to pass the top screen mesh is fed into the crusher. Alternatively, material from the second screen deck can be fed to the crusher. The crushed material is then conveyed back onto the screen via the lifting conveyor. The screen in a secondary or tertiary LT unit is normally equipped with 3 decks, enabling simultaneous production of up to 3 fractions. The track-mounted Nordberg LT can be driven over the roughest terrain and requires very little space to work in. This makes the LTs a cost-effective option even with fairly small amounts of material that previously would have been considered uneconomical to work with. A good example is demolition material and rubble that would otherwise need to be removed from building sites. The LT can help in this way to reduce the need for new mineral sources. The Nordberg LTs are powered with low-noise, low-emission diesel engines. Dust suppression or dust removal equipment is available, making it possible to use the units in residential areas. The LT can be fed by a wheel loader, as in a standard crushing plant, or directly by an excavator, since the LT moves along its tracks with the face. The operator of the loading machine can also control the LT unit, using the radio control systems available as an optional extra. The Nordberg LTs are easy to transport from one site to the next. Smaller models require very little work to get them ready for transportation, as they can simply be driven on a low loader. The LTs can also be equipped with a separate bogie. This reduces the transportation height and weight, as the low loader is then not needed. Even a large unit like the Nordberg LT-125 can easily be dismounted for transportation without a crane by equipping the unit with optional hydraulic legs for the crusher and feeder unit. The smaller secondary LT units have hydraulic cylinders which allow the screen unit and lifting conveyor to be lowered. Nordberg's experience in the design and manufacture of track-mounted crushing plants is unequaled. The LTs are built around Nordberg crushers, feeders, and screens. The frames are designed using finite element computer analysis, giving the optimum strength-to-weight ratio. All other components are from leading manufacturers and are the best quality available. Every LT is assembled from series-produced modules, but tailored to the particular needs of each customer. Series production makes it possible to implement effective quality control and ensures that each product is of the highest quality and reliability. Development work on its products and processes continues in cooperation with end users. The Nordberg LTs are simple to operate with well laid out controls on the side of the machine. Operating instructions are given in the operator's manual and also on plates fixed to the machine. Maintenance and replacement of wear parts are straightforward procedures with easy access to the diesel engines and other serviceable components. The detailed service books and clear instructions on the machine are a major contribution to preventative maintenance. The Nordberg LTs meet the strictest safety requirements. This can be seen in the guards for conveyor belt rollers and belt drives, and in the design of the service platforms and guard rails. The control systems contain safety interlocks to protect both operators and the machine. A remote control panel with trailing cable enables the operator to check all around the machine when moving the LT. Nordberg has the largest selection of mobile track-mounted crushing plants available, with over 20 basic models fitted with jaw, impact, or cone crushers and a wide range of optional equipment. The LT series can meet the toughest requirements.